Think dinosaurs are extinct? Meet the Shoebill Stork, the bird that looks like a prehistoric beast. It stands up to 5 feet tall with an 8-foot wingspan and that giant beak. It's shaped like a shoe and strong enough to kill a baby crocodile. Shoebills don't chirp. They clap their beaks like machine guns, and their stare cold, ice cold. They hunt silently in African swamps, waiting for the perfect moment to strike, then swallow fish, frogs, even eels whole. And get this, when they bow or greet each other, they sound like an AK-47 rattling in slow motion. Birds aren't boring, they're savage. Follow Vox Mentis for more wild animal facts.